Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title and my inches, I will be working with the lovely Vshow hair. They sent me this gorgeous unit in 30 inches. It is a 4x4 HD lace closure wig unit in water wave, and as you can see, these waves are everything. In today's tutorial, I showed you guys how I did my glueless install, which allows you to pop your wig off and put it back on as much as you like with using no adhesive, no glues, no harsh anything. It's literally just so perfect. A little bit of hairspray and you are good to go. So keep on watching if you'd like to see how I installed this gorgeous unit from Vshow, and the links will be in the description box for you to purchase if you'd like to do so. And let's get started on today's tutorial.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'ma spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work on my way. Work on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah,
Okay mamas, this is the finished look. I'm pretty much just gonna go for a wet look because this hair is 30 inches. This wig is from Vshow hair. They sent me this gorgeous 30-inch 4x4 HD lace closure unit in water wave. This pattern is literally everything. Stunning to die for. 30 inches. It is super dense, so when it dries down it's gonna be way fuller than this, and that is something I am looking forward to. This is very much giving vacation hair, and because it is a closure, you know, you can pop it on and off as much as you'd like. Seeing that today I did a glueless install. The waves are everything right now, and I feel the back already drying, so you can tell that this hair dries pretty fast. And I'm not going to diffuse it because, like I said, I'm just going for the wet look, so whenever it dries down, it dries down. This is it, and I'm loving it. If you would like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Vshow, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you so much to Vshow for sending me this absolutely stunning unit, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.